issues. I want problems always.
Bushi!
Sankololo.
I don't know. I say you don't go UK.
I no go UK. They deny me visa.
If now you go give yourself visa. What do you do for here? Now deaf people school be this now.
I want to see my brother. You know, say.
Your brother deaf.
Yeah.
You don't know book. Your brother deaf. Family goes. Man follow you now. I never enter the school before. Make me come and see your brother.
When you see they go, they rush inside.
Your brother and my brother now.
Well, better calm down. You know, say na deaf and dumb school. Anything way you want to, no gesture what you want to. Just maintain.
Okay. Why call the best? Now you be deaf and dumb.
Just wait.
No, be like they like me. Watch this.
They play. Just they play.
What's it gonna happen?
What the this? You go dance. We beg you. We beg you.
Why not they touch the head like that? Maybe na TikTok challenge.
When TikTok challenge, nobody talk say first place to give you head boot. You go be class captain.
Head boot care. Should I mean girl school? Please. Anybody can be class captain. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bros, now baby, please don't do this. Which can help me this? Now two head my brother with this, and I recognize you. I'm sorry. Which can one?
You call me.
Who be this one?
Wait, where my brother did?
Your brother when it comes to
Benita.
Benita, I say I'm done with this relationship. Don't come again. Leave me alone. How would you sleep with my brother? Yes, now. Just sleep with my brother. I'm done. Bye. Get from make everything like this. Jesus. Why did you hold the brother like that? He's possessed. I ban the name of Jesus. If I be a man of God and a child of God, I destroy evil spirit in this boy life. This kid, I can't down, John. What do you? Let me talk to you. My man, I don't even know your mommy. When I say your mommy is an ashawo,
You don't know.
Let me give you class captain. I'm very sure your mom is the difference. Dickness, captain.
Stop!
You get it?
You're right. Your mother is not even my time. Your mama, I told your mama know what. Which kind to do this? I'm sorry. If I had to go my house, I didn't do it.
When you get 6 pounds, I beg no best. Make I follow my brother talk.
2 minutes. See, I slap the change person mood. Oh my body doesn't pain me.
I got the advice from a madman.
Don't do me like this.
Bush! Wait till this one. You miss your brother. He go peace. He will be back soon. I saw you love him. Kiss boy. Them and done. Don't let me. Who they send me in person?
Shank, you dey craze so. Why you talk say you be one sing for them, but they no feel hear?
When I talk this one, see, you guys should please calm down. See, I'm not even an artist. I don't know how to perform. Please, you guys. Please. I don't get voice. Bush, do something now.
Why you swing your hand?
Yeah.
Now you not talk to me, they do their worst.
Please don't do your voice.
This evening you will die.
Meow.
When my ex come to my shop,
Oh, wow. Oh, we got 2, 3. Oh, Asa, you take 2 more. You're welcome. Oh, you never give me money. What? You never give me money for the onion.
Oh, I thought like.
Ma? You thought like what?
I thought you said I could take anything I wanted and that you liked me. So
You could take anything you wanted. You give me go now. You take anything you wanted, you give me money. Can't care you take anything
but
you
that
wanted.
was in the context in which you said it.
No, now we are bag. Hey, I bring her. What so mama, I'm check you. Give me something nicer. Anything you wanted. So you take anything you wanted, who go pay for the anything you wanted? Now we are.
Let me just have.
My name now Sasu, and now my story be this.
Christmas cloth now, let me know where.
Oh, my son. You know, say government they owe for over 4 months now, eh? Next year I go buy for you.
Assassin they ever wear Christmas clothes.
I could have killed her.
Is it that our own is so different? Why is it that God is allowing this thing to happen to us?
Hello, Sasu.
Hello, Yi.
You been saying you go send me something for Christmas, so up till now, I never see anything.
Yeah, you know, say since when I finish school, I never still see work.
Hell.
Don't worry, by God's grace, next year we'll do Christmas.
We just pray.
His life cannot be in danger.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
5 years of madness.
Hello.
I go by the name, but I was so.
Just to go like that.
You don't see wahala. See wahala. What is gone? You can't find it. Oh, you're so beautiful.
You don't come outside, I'm go knock again, I'm go knock again.
Very cold. Yeah, you're like she bite. You're like she put one so cold. Days putting your quiz. Whoa, my yaki. Oh my God, girl, good. I'll tell mommy for you. Mommy, Yadiola beats me.
Yadiola beats me.
Yes.
Show me.
Yes, sir. Your mommy that is deaf and your body be yak with it. Hold it down. And your mom. Oh, your my yankee. About our lad who go lamb. Let me run inside you. Voila la partie.
Well, they are going to go and have a look.
Pressure me looking, say to notify. Man, send no.
Like costly to ourselves. Chyba jednak zupełnie jeszcze inaczej.
I hold him up.
No. Why are you running?
I hold him up.
Why are you running?
I hold him up.